fashion purist, and I love nothing more than meeting designers and looking at the collections, really looking at the clothes, the fabrics, the make, and I'm really excited to see what the designers are showing here in Fiji. I have no real sense of what that's going to be. I've not seen Fijian fashion before, except I have holidayed here once before, so I've seen snippets of prints and fabrics and things like that. So I'm really looking forward to seeing who's here and what they're up to. And I really treasure meeting designers and hearing about the process. It's really fascinating to me. I love the craft of dressmaking. Vogue online, we cover all sorts of fashion shows around the world, and we are actually too very interested in Veronica, the Tongan model, the first Polynesian model to appear in Sports Illustrated, and we are planning a feature around her and her experience here at the show, as something to sort of centre the coverage around the festival. And hearing her speak today, she's really such an inspiration, such a beautiful woman. And I think just long term, I'm very interested too in sort of Indigenous craft, and also back home in Australia, I'm really trying to shine a light on that there. So coming to Fiji, I have really kind of a special interest too in things that feel very unique from here, and because I think that's something really interesting to show the world and to give more exposure to. So I'm certainly looking at the designers and what they're doing. I discover all sorts of people on Instagram. A lot of designers out of London, designers out of from all countries, and it's kind of wonderful at Australian Vogue because we often will bring those designers' pieces into the country to shoot for our editorials, for our fashion sittings. So I would absolutely be looking out for that. It's totally possible, absolutely. And I think too, Australia's sharing, a similar climate. Whilst we're not maybe as tropical and as relaxed in lifestyle, I think we do share that love of colour and cottons and natural fabrics and the sort of more simple shapes and prints. I think there's really a great crossover of things that I imagine I'm going to see here that will be relevant for the market back home.